Next up, double chest grab, a very, very classic move in street fighting. So what can you do to avoid being hurt when something like this comes up? Let's see that. So double chest grab. What comes next? Headbutt. No question. Somebody grabs you like this, it's a headbutt that's coming. So what you want to do is avoid that at all cost. Okay, so here, you just push inside, take a step, put an obstacle, getting the opponent off balance. This is very simple. Move. You can take anybody down that way. Okay, don't do this. Don't try and step back. It's very bad for your health, trust me. What you want to do is assume that you need to push the guy away. From here, you can kick the groin, kick the shin, or enter, move in, and push down. Extremely simple situation, extremely simple solution.